Firearms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 6 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the T-Mobile REVVL 6 is now here at Metro. I think it got released on the same date as the T-Mobile version on August 4th. So Metro now has the REVVL 6 here. It's available now in like a China blue color, but you guys will see on the screen that it looks like a grayish color in my personal opinion. If you guys get it in person, it might look like a blue color in person, but on the screen here it looks like a gray color. So yeah, it's available now in 64 gigabytes of storage. There's front and back of the phone, very nice looking phone in my opinion. On the front of the phone, of course, you guys have your teardrop notch, your front facing camera there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back here, you guys will have your triple camera setup, camera flash, T-Mobile logo. The camera design kind of reminds me of the iPhone 13 camera setup. If you guys, turn it 90 degrees left, you guys will get the iPhone 13 camera setup. So that's pretty interesting there. Left side has your your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left. Is like right here somewhere on the left. On the back is your triple camera system, like I said, along with your camera flash, T-Mobile logo and whatnot. Right side power button, volume keys. So you guys can get this phone for free if you guys port in. So that's pretty cool. If you guys bring your number, it's free, so not bad for a free phone. It is $169 full retail price for REVVL 6. So not bad at all. If you're an existing customer, it'd be $169 if you're an existing customer. But if you're a new customer, it's free. So why not check it out? You do have to put your number over the Metro and get an unlimited data plan to get it for free. So yeah. So the features on the REVVL 6 includes a 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro camera on the back, along with the 5 megapixel front facing camera. 30 hours of talk time, 26 days of standby time. Screen 6.5 inches, HD plus, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. Other features include 5G, of course. That's the main selling point of the REVVL 5G, of the REVVL 6 5G that has 5G. 4500 mAh battery, triple camera system, MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. So it says that the T-Mobile REVVL 6 5G is the perfect balance of powerful performance and ease of use, with integrated Google features, a triple camera system, and a long-lasting battery, all on America's largest and fastest 5G network. Specs on REVVL 6 5G here include a 4500 mAh battery, USB Type-C, which is pretty much standard now, headphone jack, which is very nice to see because a lot of phones don't have headphone jacks now. Your connectivity options for the REVVL 6 include Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.2, MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, Android 12, 4 GB of RAM, 2 TB of micro SD expansion. You do get 4G as well, of course 5G obviously. Email platforms there, here and there compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies. Your dimensions are 6.56 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The REVVL 6 weighs 6.84 ounces. Alright, so what comes in the box is your REVVL 6 smartphone, USB-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions, and your SIM pin. That is that they don't mention a charging brick in the box, so don't be surprised if it does not come with a charging brick in the box, because a lot of phones now are not coming with a charging brick in the box. So you guys will need a Type-C charging brick, I'm pretty sure. It's a Type-C to Type-C, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. Metro now has the REVVL 6 5G. So REVVL now for free if you guys put your number of the Metro, or it's $169 if you're a current customer, I guess. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, Metro has you covered with the REVVL 6 5G. Very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is, and it's not a bad looking phone either. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.